Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and use the Chrome extension template I just finished making. The template includes Vite, React, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. And it also includes the Chrome API TypeScript package called Chrome Types for a smooth auto-completion. One great thing about this template is that it allows you to view your options page and your pop-up directly on your local host with hot reload. So you don't have to reload your extension just to view the changes you made to the UI. This video is going to include 3 steps. First, we will install the repo locally. Second, we will upload our extension to Chrome. And lastly, we will make some changes to our files. You can follow along and copy all the commands I'm showing directly from the README file on the GitHub repo from the link in the description. Let's get started by cloning the repository. Navigate to the folder where you want to install the project and run the following git clone command. You should change git project to your own project name. I will change it to Chrome extension 1 and hit enter. Great, we have cloned the repo. Now let's get inside our project by running cd and the project name. Now let's run npm install to install all of the required dependencies. And now that we have the dependencies, we can execute npm run dev. And here you can see a preview of your extension UI. You can view both your pop-up and your options page with hot reload. Alright, we finished the installation. Now let's try and upload our extension to Chrome. Let's go back to the terminal and run npm run build. Vite will create for us a dist folder with all the files needed for our extension. Next, let's open our Chrome browser and go inside this URL. Enable developer mode, click Load Unpacked, navigate to your project, and select the dist folder we created. And there you have it. Our extension is live and running. Here is our pop-up, and here is our options page. Now that we see everything is working, we can start developing our extension. Let's start by making changes to our pop-up and options page. To make changes to our pop-up, let's go on source Chrome extensions pop-up index.tsx. For example, I will change the text here to extension 1, and we can immediately see the changes on our local server. Let's try and do the same for our options page. Let's go on source Chrome extensions options index.tsx. Let's also change the text here to extension 1. And we can immediately see the changes on our local server as well. Now remember, and this is important, every time you make changes to your files, you're going to have to run npm run build again for Vite to rebuild the dist folder. So let's do that. Let's go to our terminal and run npm run build. Now we can go back to Chrome and click refresh on our extension. And there you go, the changes we made to the extension are implemented. Alright, now let's see how we can add a background script to our extension. Let's create a background.ts file in the source directory of our project. Now let's add a random console.log. And now we need to do 2 things. First, we need to tell Vite to include the file in our build project. We do so by going to vite.config and add the following line under build rollout options input. The second thing we need to do is to point to our background file in our manifest.json file. So let's open the manifest.json file and add the following lines. Okay, now we can run npm run build again. And if we look in our dist folder, we can see we now have a background.javascript file. Let's once again go on Chrome and refresh the extension. You should now see a blue link saying Service Worker. Click it and you should be able to see the console.log statement we created in our background file. And this is it for this tutorial. This template should give you a strong starting point to develop your extension. I plan to keep improving it and adding more features to it as I go. The best place to let me know of any bugs, issues, or feature requests is under the Issues tab on the GitHub repo. And if you're already there, if you could, please give it a star. Thank you.